If you want people to reach out to you, then it's a good idea to add in a contact form gadget, which gives a form to your readers which they can fill out in order to contact you. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your dashboard, and once you do that, you need to go around under layouts. So once you do that again, you can see that you can add in a gadget, and if you were to go around and scroll down, then you'll be able to see contact form right here. So let's just go around and click on this, and what happens is that you see the contact form right here. So I'm just going to go around and say contact me right here, just like this, and hit the save button. Once I do that, you get this particular gadget, and if I were to refresh this now, then what happens is that I get this contact me form right here, just like this. So you got the contact me right here. There's not much customization that you can do, but what your readers will be able to do now is they'll be able to send you messages. For example, I'm going to go around and say TutorTube example right here, and in email I'm going to go around and choose an email address right here, maybe this one, and say a test message, just like this, and hit the send button. Once I do that, you can see it says the message has been sent, and you would receive the message for that particular form right there, and the place where you receive it is in your registered email. In my case, I have registered my Gmail account right here. So let's just go around over here, and here you can see that it says new message received, and you will be receiving it right here, and you see that it is from blogger.com. And that is how you can add in a contact form gadget inside of your Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.